Hey guys, today we are making an inline dress from an old dress. So this is a drift flipped tutorial and welcome back to my channel. So first thing, I'm just going to cut down the down parts. I'm using 21" for the down and 15" for the top part, simply because I'm not into very many dresses. I'm more like before the knee kind of dresses. So you can always put this in based on your size and the kind of dress and length you like. I think A-line dress is kind of in right now. I'm seeing a lot of stores carrying all kind of beautiful A-line dress. So this is a mashup from different kind that I like. I put in some detailing from the different kind of A-line dress that I've been seeing going around. So let's do this. So first of all, I unseam all the joinings because it's not needed, and I decided to work on the front part first. This is my major concern because it's the first part of this dress that gives it the shape. So I put in my bust and then my waist and then connect it in that direction. So you can also trace this if you want. It's not compulsory that you put in the measurement, and this is actually a stretching material, so it's perfect for any kind of drift lift. So mind you, always get note of the kind of fabric you are using. So for the length, I felt that the depth of this neck was just too deep and wide, so I decided to adjust it from the top parts just to decrease the depth of the neck. And then for the armhole, I decided to just trace it out before I put in the armhole measurement of 8", then curve it again. So I'm reworking on the neckline here. I wanted the neckline to be a bit deep, but at the same time I want the width to be a bit smaller than this, so I'm going to do the adjustments as I go. So, and I needed this front part to have a unique art look, so we'll get to that. But first of all, I'm just going to use this front part to trace out the back part. So that's why I most definitely first worked on the first side. So now for the front part, I wanted a different kind of neck, something a bit unique. I saw this neckline from one store like that, I think one of those airline dresses, so I wanted to incorporate it into this. So I just detach and then reattach after hemming the front and then the sleeves. So I'm just going to adjust the neckline to be a bit smaller because, like I said, the width is just too much for my shoulder. Next, I'm just going to reattach this after using bias to turn it over. So next is to stop stitch, and then this is it, the front part is ready. So I'm going to attach the front and the back together from the shoulder and then the sides. So this is me readjusting the back armhole to fit the front a bit. So the top is almost ready. Now I'm just going to attach the sleeve. As you can see, I unseam the sleeve too so that I can easily fit it in. So this is how you do it before you join the sleeve to the body. side. The sleeve is ready. Now I'm just going to work on the down part, which is the skirt that is going to attach to the top. So in this A shape, you only put in your waist measurements and then you just slant. So for this, I put my exact waist measurements simply because it stretches, this fabric stretches, and then I decided to give it a bit of style at this down part, a bit of slit, just a cute slit, so that just the different elements and attaching to this dress. So this is how to cut the A shape, and then you sew down to where the curve is. So this is the shape coming out. You see the slit. Yep, it's time to attach the down part to the top part. So to get accurate joining, just start from the middle point of the front side and then the back side, and then we attach the side opening. Here is the dress ready. So next I'm just going to put in the little details. That is the front pocket flap, and then the strap at the down of the sleeve. I'm measuring where it's going to start and where it's going to end, so that the both sides will be equal on the same lines. And here is the final result. This dress, I'm so obsessed with it. Like, this camera did not do it justice. Like, I so much love it. So it doesn't need zip because the fabric is stretchy. So this is it on me. Like, I'm so ready to work it out. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe before you leave. Bye.